Hi everyone, in today's video I'll show you guys how you can download and install Heartopia cozy game app on your iPhone. Well, it's quite easy. So first of all, simply open your app store, and after doing that, here if you are on the main page just like this, if you're on this page, you'll have to tap on this search icon on the navigation bar and get to the search page, from which you'll have to tap on the search bar right here, and now then start typing Heartopia. After typing Heartopia, all you have to do is tap on the search button, and now then from here you can see this is the application. All you have to do is tap on it, and then you can see a get button. Tap on get button. Now your verification will be required, or either your Face ID, your Touch ID, or the password of your Apple account will be required. So simply tap on get, and after doing that, here you'll have to double click on your power button. And just like this, here you can see my Face ID has successfully been verified, and now the download process has begun. And just like this, within few minutes, here you can see download process has been completed and the installation process has begun. Within few seconds, the installation process has also been completed, and now there is the open button. So now you have successfully downloaded Heartopia on your iPhone, and in order to open it, you can simply tap on open, and that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.